in Cedar Rapids to take a Czech egg decorating class that Marj Nejdl, CSA member, is going to be instructing. And we are near, if you pan that way, over there is the National Czech Slovak Museum here in Cedar Rapids. We're going to be going in there. We're pretty excited about doing this. And we're going to make this another edition of Cooking with Babi. No, we're not cooking, but we're making crafts. And say hi, Kelly.
Hi.
So we're pretty excited to do this. We're going to bring you inside. We're going to take some pictures of the whole process and let you know how hard or fun this is to do. And we'll check back in with you later. Bye. So we just finished taking the class. That would be Kelly, me, and here is one of our instructors, Miss CSA 2021-2022,
Yeah.
Emily Nejdl. She actually did an incredible job teaching this class. It was tougher than I thought. I had issues with flames, but it was fine. It's all good. It was pretty cool. And you are going to start taking over the classes?
Yes. I'm very excited. It's been a family tradition. Babi has done it for the past 40 years, and so I'm excited to kind of get to continue on the tradition. And of course, it's not just me. Babi still helps with all of the classes. Tom, yes, my younger brother Tom, and my father, and my aunt and uncle also. We all do the classes together.
So kind of the film, Tom. This is Tom Nejdl. People normally don't see Tom. They see Marj and Emily. This is the other sibling. And he helped with the class as well. And we were thrilled that both of you are CSA members, which is really, really cool. And we just had so much fun today. And thanks for teaching us, guys.
Yeah, absolutely.
We love to do it.
Yep. It's a magic art, and that really is